So today I have a really special offer for you for the Black Friday, and it's for the best training you can find on the internet in order to grow your online business. What's that? I'm going to show you right now what it's going to lead you. I'm going to put the link below. Click on that link if you want to enjoy the really special offer right now. We're going to have 80% off. So you're just going to click here. I'm just going to quickly share my screen with you guys. Let's go. So here you have a super discount of 80%. It's going to expire really, really soon. So you have to go and see that free video on how to copy my $1 million per year online business. And it's a really quick video. Normally it's $199. Today it's $39. So don't wait. This offer will not last forever. So if you really want to know how to grow your online business, click on that link below. You're going to go straight to the video and you're going to know more about this awesome training. I really tell you, I've been following that training, and it's been a total game changer for me. It's going to change you not just for your professional life, but for your personal life. It's a really, really complete approach on how to set up your life in order to achieve your goals. So don't wait, click on that link, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on that little bell, and you're going to get to know more when I post videos and when I go live. So don't hesitate anymore, guys. It's not going to last forever. So ciao and have a really, really awesome day.